This weekend, we traveled to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort in Orlando, Florida. This resort is currently getting a makeover, and so there was a lot of construction everywhere. Even with all the construction, we had the best time and would recommend booking today if you're willing to compromise the magic for a lower than usual price per night. Inside the lobby, you'll find the staff ready to check you in, some seating, Disney's Resort Airline check-in service, an ATM, bathrooms, a mini gift shop with Disney-themed snacks like the Chip 'n Dale and Goofy line of sweet treats, a list of their available restaurants, P.S. most of them are closed during the construction, and a wall dedicated to the resort titled Reimagining Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Okay, we are at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
And we finished checking in. I have one complaint. I don't know why checking in always takes so long. It always takes like over 30 minutes. Guests will stay in one of the 6 island-themed villages, but that doesn't mean you can't island hop and explore the neighboring villages. On the way to our room, we found a cute little patio area with a nearby marketplace for quick grab-and-go items like muffins and salads, and let's not forget the complimentary coffee, tea, and hot cocoa. We stayed in Aruba, and inside our room, we found 2 beds, a mini fridge, bathroom, a safe, basically all the standards. But the best part was finding the 3 Caribbean Beach Resort themed pins.
Tell the 8 people around too. What?
That's awesome.
What? That and the view from our room. With our room directly facing the 45-acre Barefoot Bay, it was an incredible view of not only the sand and water, but also of the crazy amount of construction. This place is going to look like a dream when it's all done and new. Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort guests are known to decorate their big windows, and these were 2 of our favorites. Outside, you'll find hammocks and lounge chairs to make any construction zone look a lot more relaxing. Hats off to Disney for masking all the upcoming changes with their attention to detail.
Yenny, where are we headed?
Spyglass Grill.
Ah. And with a name like that, it's got to be pretty good.
Hoping. The weekend we were there, they opened up the Spyglass Grill, which is where we ate lunch the first day. Angus bacon cheeseburger with a side of fries.
Also be like
This
This is the Cuban sandwich with a side of fries.
is side of fries.
it's a shrimp salad. I have the taco trio.
So is it like
Pork and beef.
Dreaming of a sleep or a nap.
dining options are limited. The only options are the Centertown, the 3 island markets, certain mobile food vending locations, and in-room dining is available too. Dining plans are accepted. Due to the reimaginations happening across the resort, noise will be heard anytime between 9 a.m. to dusk. As you enter the Spanish-themed pool area, you'll see plenty of seating, a hot tub, some special characters like Minnie Mouse dancing with guests, a kid-friendly shipwreck-themed water play area, the zero-entry pool, 2 water slides, and water cannons that act like great back massagers. To get to the top of the slide, you'll climb a spiral staircase, wait for the green light, and then shoot down the slide. So, you know how some goggles don't keep the water out or are too tight on your head? We bought our goggles at Disney, and these are the best goggles we've ever purchased. We highly recommend them. For families traveling with smaller swimmers in training, take advantage of their complimentary life jackets for a stress-free pool experience. Bathrooms and towel pickups are available for all guests, so no worries if you forgot your towel at home.
Now we're walking into Caribbean Cay. It's like their little private island for this area. Right there, little playground. Yep. I'm thinking maybe they have a bonfire here at some point. Yeah. So this is the playground here. They've got a little canopy kind of thing in here that you can hang out in. And then I'm guessing at nighttime there's a bonfire pit right there. Some seating all around. There's a bunch of different benches and stuff you can sit on.
Turf, grass.
Yeah, you got some turf. You could always bring a little football out and play with your family. We're currently staying over here, and this is what the gondola system. It's going to go all the way across to the different parks and then to the different hotels and stuff. It's like a little gondola, and that's the playground over there for the kids to hang out at. Everything is definitely in theme, even the doors. And there's Yenny. Wow, look at that beauty. Holy crap. This is a rose. And over there's a whole big area. This is all sand. There's different hammocks and seating and stuff.
There are a lot of plants, a lot of greenery, a lot of shrubbery, and so because of it, you're exposed to a lot of wildlife, a lot of insects, including bees.
Lots of bees. And now we're back where we were.
We stayed at the hotel the entire day and felt there was plenty to do. With the many activities scattered throughout the day, you may not even need to visit the park. Just enjoy the resort. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for joining as this local goes global.